Are you in the with white t-shirt?
Hello. Good morning.
जो काम यार मरे एक्शन चलता है रोड वो आ दो पंजे जो हाँ हाँ
Not explain.
You are supposed to go there and cross there. Okay.
Basically they want you to use the zebra cross, which is fair enough.
Fair enough.
But there is no.
Fair enough.
There is
No, I just wanted to know. I forgot that
zebra crossing is this whole thing. थोड़े ऐसे हाथ बड़ी बड़ी मैटर your board. See your board. Remove it. Remove it. And remove the brick also. परमिशन है डाल देना ये मरण है you got an order to put these plants here remove all the plants whatever this is yours remove it remove the board also keep it on top keep the board on top
12th to 18th, Global Road Safety 12th to 18th, and the main issue is safety of pedestrians and cyclists. So today we have started with a drive in Panjim to check all pavements whether they are free, not only if there are vehicles parked on the pavements but also if shops have encroached into the pavement. And we also want to promote cyclists. So we'll have a rally on the 16th for all the cyclists through the city to promote cycling, which is a safe mode of transport.
So today did you find anyone?
We have found a lot of vehicles parked on the pavement, especially two-wheelers, and we have issued them challans.
Please take it inside. No, idea, but you
Okay. No. ये zebra crossing पळय मार्किंग केला सगळे केला अशें दिसलें.
No, no. This zebra crossing extension has to be done right to the end of the part, so that there is no this thing, not obstruction. There can be no misunderstanding. So right now the concept is when the zebra crossing is there, you cannot park. But to make it more amply clear, we will request CCP to do this, because there is a meeting anyway on 16th. So all these issues will be raised at that time at the meeting. Yeah. Hello. Who has given you permission? Let's take the photo. You take it. Take note of the banner also. Both sides, huh? You do? अंडरवेयर भी डालो रे बाहर, तुम्हारा अंडरवेयर डालो ना, चड्डी डालो रे तुम्हारा, हाँ? ले लो अंदर, ले लो हम दरवाजे बंद कर दो, ले लो अंदर, दरवाजा अंदर नहीं जाता है, अरे स्टैंड अंदर ले लो, अरे ले लो, अभी ले लो, स्टैंड निकालो, कितना कंप्लेंट बनता है तुमको, क्या चप्पल ये क्या है, चड्डी डालो रे तुम्हारा, अंदर डाल रहे सब, दरवाजे क्यों खुला, स्टैंड डाला तुमने, उसका तो नाम क्या
स्मार्ट सिटी जाल्यार फोकाणा हांगा पणजे पळया मरे कितें चल्लां तें हांगा पळय रातचे कितले 500 रुपया घेता पळय पार्किंगाचे आमी कंप्लेंट दिवन जाली आतां हे मेयराक सांगा तुमी तुजे हांकां सांगा CCPन कोणाक तांकां सांगा आतां आमकां गिरायक कोणाक गिरायक ना हांगा पार्किंग हांगा रातचे 500 घेता हांगा बोर्ड ना एक पार्किंग बोर्ड दिसताले पळया तुमी एक्चुअल ना घेता ते रातचे तांकां कांय हे बीन दिना नाल्यार हांगा ट्युरिस्टांक बीन मारता टुरिस्टांक दे फायट विथ द टुरिस्ट यू सी योर दिस थिंग पार्किंग वार्डन्स आर विदाउट क्लोथ्स हियर इन द इवनिंग देर इज नो वन देर इज नो सुपरवायझर नो बडी टू सी भलतेच कोण घेता मरे यो आनी पळया पार्किंग आसतात रे भुरगे 200-500 कितें चल्लाय पणजेन एटलीस्ट यू पुट अ बोर्ड समवेयर द पीपल लायता 50 रुपया दे दो 100 रुपया दे दो 200 रुपया दे दो कसिनो में जा रहा है 3 घंटे 200 रुपया दे दो हे चल्ला हांगा
तो तुम्ही म्हणटा स्मार्ट सिटीच्या हितून पार्किंगाचो
स्मार्ट सिटी न्हू हे म्युन्सिपाल्टीन पळोवंक जाय थंयसर एक बोर्ड दिसता जाल्यार पळय हांगा पणजेन एक बोर्ड दिसना फक्त तुमी घेता पार्किंग लोकांक त्रास सगळ्यांक त्रास लोकल्सांक काय तुमी सोडिना काय ना लोकल्सां कडसूनय घेता पळया मातशें
आनी पार्किंग स्पेसाचो प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणटा
थंयसर पार्किंग हांगा खूब आहा रे पण हे कितें वाय पार्किंग टू इवन फॉर लोकल्स वाय आर टेकिंग पार्किंग take parking from outside as well. Notify the boards first. There should be boards installed everywhere where the all parking has to be seen. तुमचे रेट्स लायता तेंचेच वॉर्डन्स तेंचे भुरगे आसता तेच कातरता ते बोर्ड्स फाटल्यान पळया तुमी पणजेन भोंवा न्ही पळया एक बोर्ड सारको दिसता जाल्यार पळया
रेट्स ना बोर्डाचेर
रेट्स ना काय ना रेट्स तुमी मारा सारके नाल्यार लोकांक तुमी हे करा अवेरनेस करा लोकांक सांगा इतलेच रुपया भरपाचे हे कितें रे 200-500 रुपया घेता
एवरेज पार्किंग प्राइस किती आसा
म्हाका खबर ना 20 काय 15 रुपया आसा ते पयल्या वराक 20 आनी मागीर 5 काय 15 रुपया हांगा ते कोणाक सोडिना पळया तुमी
visuals. I need a photo of this. मैडम मला मुख्य पडता है टेबल है, किसका टेबल है? हाँ? टेबल किसका है? हमारा? निकाल निकाल। सब एक किसका बोतल का? निकाल निकाल। अरे निकाल रे, नहीं सुनता है तो?
लेके जाओ। अब नहीं मंग रहा है शाम को।
Get the full thing. These are your pots. Please arrange to remove them. Huh? They will be taken by the police. You have no authority to capture the payment. Please remove them.
Yes, sir.
So today is the first day of the 8th United Nations Global Road Safety Week, with the focus is on pedestrians and cyclists and their safety. So today a joint drive involving the traffic police, district police, that is Panjim police station, CCP, collectorate, Goa Can. All of us today have been looking at all the pavements in Panjim. The major ones we started from Panjim Church. Now we have reached Junta House, and basically two things are being focused on. One is where there have been encroachments. Some people have created shops out of windows and taken over the entire pavement. Then there are bikes were parked here, so people cannot walk. Disabled person, the senior citizens, pregnant women, when they are walking, there is a problem. All over the bikes are being parked. So this drive today is basically started in Panjim. There are similar drives happening in South Goa today, and every day various issues regarding the safety of pedestrians and cyclists will be taken up. This is the first time the United Nations Global Road Safety Week is being observed in the state of Goa. It is held every alternate year. So in 2023 it was observed, where the focus was on speed limit, reducing the speed to 30 kilometers at markets, Tito junctions. So there will be less of injuries and deaths. So this year, this Global Road Safety Week, the United Nations, all over the world, all governments have been and non-governmental agencies, civil society agencies have been asked to focus on safety of the pedestrians in all aspects and cyclists.